I'm, of course, for recycling. I think it's a good idea.
Do you recycle often?
I do. I usually recycle my DM every day, and then I always recycle plastic bottles and cans I have. Like I won't, if there's a trash can right there, I'll wait until I see a recycling bin to throw them away.
Yes, I recycle on campus. I try to keep in mind every DM I read and every bottle I drink out of.
All the recycling bins that we have now are just kind of used as garbage cans because they're not very distinctive and they're not used well. I mean, I know, like, I personally would recycle if there were a place to, and then also make them more accessible, because the recycling bins that we have, like, are just for paper. But if I want to throw a plastic bottle away, I don't want to look all over the Union for that one place to throw away the plastic bottle. So I would say make them distinctive and more accessible.
What we're going to be doing is we're just going to get a recycling program going on up here. We're going to have our new potential members, our spring pledge class, as part of their community service obligation for the fraternity. They are going to be taking the recycling to the recycling center. Since right now we're not entitled to any sort of pickup, they're going to be doing that for us. So we're going to try and get people to sign pledge cards, pledging to ride a bike to school a couple times a week, or maybe take a shorter shower. We're just going to try and get people to turn the lights off, and maybe at the fraternity house get timers in the bathroom to make those lights go off if nobody's using it, just to save energy and time.
My apartment complex doesn't have any sort of effort towards recycling. I personally recycle, but I have to take it to the Oxford recycling place downtown, and that's more of a hassle because it builds up, and when I'll find myself throwing away bottles that I would want to recycle, but the effort, even though at the end it's worth it, it's just more frustrating just because there's nothing in my apartment complex or any of my friends that I know.